Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dripping in gold look that screams luxury, power, and main character energy. So if you want to use this look for your next DTI round, just follow my steps in here. So let's just get started. So in here, as for the hair, I only use this long hair from the battle updates, and here to glue it into bags and remove the flowers. Now let's create the outfit. So first, I'm going to just go to the dressing room and go to the battle updates tab in here. Put on this top, and for the first review, I'll make it black color in light silk. And for the halter and also the lacing, just make it gold. So choose your golden color, and this is my hex code. You can copy it too. And I'm going to also put on this skirt. Change all the beads color into black, and for the chains, use the same gold color. Like this. And also I'm going to wear the shoe in gold just like this, and I'm going to just make it silk. And I'm going to also put on the crown from the seashell update, from the summer update in here, the seashell crown, as long as these nails, as this nail. And also I'm going to wear accessory from the Valentine updates, this bracelet in here. Use the same gold color, and the earrings. And now I'm going to put on this skirt, make it black, and change the material into glitter. And add these chains in here and use the same gold color. And also I'm going to put on this necklace on the neck, change the golden color, and also this headpiece, make it all gold. And that's it. So this is the final look of dripping in gold in DTI. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.